basically is what he's doing. That's called a breach, you guys, and you don't get to see that very often. It takes a whole lot of energy to launch 20 or 30 tons of blubber out of the water like that. And you don't get to see that very often. That's something that's more associated with the mating ground down south. There's the fish again. All the way up and out. That's called a breach. The whale's probably feeling a little boxed in right now. There she's back on the surface just like nothing happened. But again, with the noise of that tanker's got about a 30-foot propeller that's turning away, and it's making a lot of noise. He also has 2 tractor tugs on his stern. Those things are like egg beaters in the water. And those low frequency noises, they travel through water very quick and for very far distances. And he's hearing that right now. And he knows he's pinned against the rocks here. He hears that coming at him. There he goes again. Wow. These are the first breaches we've seen all season. This is something that if you're out here every day whale watching, you might see twice during the season. It's very rare. You guys are really lucky. Jumping like a trained dog through a hoop.
A little bit.
Keep low. That guy in the little fishing boat's gonna get a show if he reaches right next to him. There she goes again. This has turned into an excellent whale. The other thing that's going to happen here is, as this whale goes along, he's been in about 35, 40 feet of water all along, and the channel entrance into Long Beach is minus 76 feet. So he's going to come up on this deep water channel. There he goes again. He's going to come up on this deep water channel, and oftentimes they get over that channel and they turn and they follow the channel either into the harbor or offshore. I'm guessing he's not going to turn towards the tanker today, but I've been wrong every time I try to second guess everything. There he goes again. Wow, this is awesome, you guys. There goes again. That guy in the little boat's starting to wonder what's going to happen. He might have a whale in his cockpit here. There she goes. Coming up on the gate. Hopefully, as I said, this whale won't turn into the harbor. We'll see what happens here. Anybody's guess what he does next. Nothing below, coming right up on the end of the rocks now. Nothing below. Yeah, it looks like he's going to just shoot right ahead, probably right underneath this big tanker.